Okay, I'm checking out the small motor here. Small engines and small motors, give me a thumbs up and just go around and checking out the whole entire area. Can't do no manic fishing or outside summer stuff until summertime. So you gotta find some stuff inside door. Treasure hunting outside in the summertime and have a fun. Well, right now I'm looking at the small engines and small motors. There's the spark plug. We never know unless you look around and take a look at it. That's where the big sprocket goes. Small engines and small motor. That's a clutch. Let's see what we have here. Small engines and small motors. So let's take a look around. And see what we have here. Small engines and small motors.